In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to switch it to a new language for a fresh learning experience or adapting to a multilingual work environment, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheet file that you intend to change the language settings on. Once your file is open, navigate to the top left corner of your screen, and with the file in view, direct your attention to the File tab located at the top left of the menu bar. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, look for and click on Settings. This option is usually towards the bottom of the list, so you might need to scroll down slightly. Once you click on Settings, a new window or box will appear, showing different options related to your Google Sheet settings. In the Settings menu, you should see an entry labeled Display Language. By default, this is typically set to English, but that's what we're here to change. Click on the language shown to bring up a new page where you'll be making your changes. On this new page, you'll see an option that reads Change Primary Language. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to your Google account settings, where you have a wide variety of language options. In the Google account settings, there's a search bar where you can easily find the language you want. Begin typing the language into the search bar, which will help filter down to the specific language you are after. In our example, let's say you want to switch to Filipino. Once the language loads in the results, click on it to select. After selecting your preferred language, look towards the bottom of the page for a button labeled Save. Click this to confirm and save your language selection. Keep in mind that this change will affect your entire Google account, meaning it will apply across all Google services you use. Once you've saved the new language settings, head back to your Google Sheets. You'll notice a prompt at the top of your sheet asking if you want to save the settings for this specific sheet. Go ahead and click on Save Settings. Finally, to ensure everything processes smoothly, perform a reload of your Google Sheets. This is a simple refresh of your web page. Click the Reload button on your browser, and once the page reloads, you'll see your Google Sheets displayed in the newly selected language. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Google Sheets. If you encountered any issues or have additional questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.